In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private board on Monday.com. Whether you're organizing tasks, tracking projects, or brainstorming ideas, having a dedicated space to do this privately can be invaluable. So, let's dive right in and set up your board. To start, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type Monday.com and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results, but your best bet is to go ahead and click on the first link available. Typically, this will be the official Monday.com website, signified by its URL, and it should lead you directly to their homepage. Once you're at Monday.com, you'll either need to log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new. If you're logging in, do so with your usual credentials. If you're signing up, you'll need to go through the usual process of entering your details to create an account, which is straightforward and user-friendly. After successfully logging in or signing up, look for an option labeled Add to Workspace. You can usually find this in a sidebar or on the dashboard, so explore your screen until you spot it. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Board. This is where we begin the process of creating your new private board. Now it's time to get creative. You'll be prompted to provide a name for your board. Consider what you or your team will be using this board for. Will it be tracking a specific project, managing a budget, or maybe organizing a marketing campaign? Your board name should reflect its purpose succinctly and clearly for ease of use later on. With your board name in place, it's crucial to set it as private. You'll see an option to select the type of board. Generally, Monday.com offers a few choices here, but you want to make sure you choose Private. Setting your board to private ensures that only those you invite can view or edit the content, maintaining the confidentiality you may require for sensitive tasks or projects. Next, you'll specify the intended use for your board. This step is especially important as it helps in organizing and aligning your workflow. Indicate whether it's for managing a budget, tracking a project, or any other particular function. This description isn't just for you. It can also guide any collaborators you invite later on to understand the board's overall purpose at a glance. Finally, hit Create Board, and just like that, you've set up your very own private board on Monday.com. Congratulations! You now have a secure space to collaborate, organize, and track your projects efficiently. Feel free to customize your board further with additional columns, automations, or integrations to fully tailor it to your needs. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.